Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Atinuke, but almost all my friends call me Nookies. And on this channel, I post delicious recipes and lifestyle tips. So kindly hit that subscribe button and make sure to like this video. Okay guys, so we are going to be kicking 2024 with a healthy video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I blanch these guys so that they stay fresh for longer. So if you've ever kept broccoli in your fridge and then after 2 days or 3 days you want to use them and then you bring them out of your fridge and then you find that they've turned brown or yellow, that's usually what happens to them. So with blanching helps to keep them green and helps to keep them fresh for longer periods of time. So I actually have a short here on my channel on how to do this, how to blanch it, but I just thought let me do an updated version of that video because that video is quite popular and has been getting lots of views, but it's not too clear. This was when I was still using my old lens, but now today I'm going to be giving you guys a clearer version of that video, maybe with a little bit more instructions so that you guys can do it properly and perfectly. Okay guys, let's jump right into the video. So to blanch the broccoli, we're going to be needing two things. We need boiling water, so I have my water boiling right now on my stove, and then we need ice cold water. But before we start any of that, we need to chop up our broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Okay guys, now that we've chopped up our broccoli into bite-sized pieces, so if you notice I leave this part of the broccoli because this part is also very nutritious and delicious and crunchy, so I don't throw it away. I add it to the broccoli that I'm going to blanch. So before we take it over to the boiling water, we need to prepare the ice water, because as soon as it comes out from the boiling water, we're going to plunge it straight into the ice water. So let's do that. Okay guys, so our broccoli has been blanched. So you guys, as you can see, the color of the broccoli is, okay guys, so the green color is popping. It's really green, it's beautiful, and it's going to stay this way for a very long time. So what I like to do after blanching like this is just to put it inside a Ziploc bag and then pop it into the freezer, and anytime I want to use it, bring it out and then just throw it straight into whatever I'm cooking, and then I have a delicious enriched meal. So guys, here we go. Very easy way to keep your broccoli fresh and crunchy. I didn't overcook it, so just 2 to 3 minutes in the hot water and then it remains crunchy like this. But when you keep it in your freezer, try and use it within a week, because of course the longer you leave it in your freezer, the more
the soggier, if that is a word, it will become. So within 1 week in the freezer is okay. Okay guys, thank you so much for joining me here today. If you like this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. We are trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. It is not impossible. You guys can make it happen. So please share this video with your friends and your family. Hope you enjoy it. So thank you so much guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.